Hi, I'm Lisa Diamond. I'm also a breast cancer survivor, late stage.
And I'm Mark Slew. I'm a stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma survivor. Lisa and I are the founders of Shine Beyond Cancer. We've also just written a book with the same title, Shine Beyond Cancer.
We are also, both of us, 5+ years cancer free.
Yes.
Nice. I have to say though, when I was going through cancer, it was one of the hardest things that I've ever done. It took a toll on me physically, emotionally, and mentally. It affected every area of my life, my body, my mind, my relationships, my career, and my finances.
Lisa and I know that you might be going through some of these struggles right now, or even more, or even different ones. So that's why we created Shine Beyond Cancer. We created to provide hope and inspiration and tools to overcome the anxiety that you must be going through right now and the confusion you might be going through right now. We developed a step-by-step playbook that you could rise above feeling alone, anxious, overwhelmed, angry, all kinds of things that are going through your head right now. We're also here to quarterback you through all aspects of your life so you too can shine beyond cancer and live a vibrant, abundant life.
So Mark and I wrote Shine Beyond Cancer, and today we are giving it away free. So we wrote this book. We think it's great, but don't take our word for it.
So here's a couple of testimonials. Sam says, these two survivors have been through it and share their experience of not just surviving, but thriving. As a survivor, I can relate. While I was fighting through life, after I was done, I thought it would be a breeze. I beat the normal life and should be no problem, but that was not the case. People who have not been through this will not completely understand, but those who have endured will know. I'm grateful to have a resource like Shine Beyond Cancer to reach out to when I was having trouble.
This is from Kathy. People who suffer greatly have much to share. Lisa and Mark have openly and courageously shared their journeys as cancer survivors, but we all can learn from their experiences. Their mental toughness and determination gave them each the strength to push forward many times over. Inspirational stories and practical advice combined with an honest read that can provide hope, advice, and encouragement for all.
And this is from Eileen. Eileen says, Lisa Diamond and Mark Slew share their honest and uplifting stories. As a cancer schlepper, someone who is still on maintenance treatment, I related to so many levels to their stories. What has always helped me and what shines through this positive outlook and sense of humor they impact. This book is like a supermarket. Everything's on the shelf, just take what you need.
And this is from Ariel. You will be inspired by the heartfelt stories and words of wisdom shared by Lisa and Mark. The kind of inspiration that comes from going deep into the pit, literally for you, discovering a way out that leads to a life of purpose and contribution.
And here's one from Monica. Monica says, amazing, amazing, amazing book. 3 times. I didn't make that up. There's 3 times here. Shine Beyond Cancer is fabulous for anyone, even if you're not going through cancer. And what's nice is they kept it real and simple, totally relatable. They are loving and generous and truly inspiring.
And this is from Anna Maria. Inspirational and heartfelt. I couldn't put it down. I just kept turning the pages late into the night. I brought this book for a friend who was going through cancer. I thought it might inspire her to keep fighting and never give up. What I found was it inspired me just as much.
And here's a great one from Barbara. This book speaks to what I believe also. Positive attitude, nutrition, and exercise to release all toxicity. I bought 6 of these books so I could share them with my family and friends who are experiencing the journey through cancer. I am certain they will be uplifted.
And this is from Charmin. If you or someone you know is battling cancer, please read this book. It is inspiring and sincere. Lisa and Mark are amazing and individuals who can and want to help.
And here's a good one from Amy. Short and sweet. Truly an inspiration to all.
And here's another short and sweet from Jerry. Great book, encouraging. Sure, if you are feeling those feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, fear, not sure where to start, maybe you're cancer free and you just don't know how to rebuild your life back again, how to rebuild the finances, how to go back to your career, how to repair some of the relationships, then you want to get a copy of Shine Beyond Cancer today. And specifically for the tools to help you also shine beyond cancer in every area of your life.
So again, how do you do it? It's simple. Just fill out the form on the side of the page. Let us know what your shipping address is, and we'll send you out the book immediately.
So you may be asking yourself, what's the catch? There is no catch. Mark and I wrote Shine Beyond Cancer to give you the tools that you would need to specifically shine beyond. And we're also doing this just to be in contribution to the cancer community.
We want to help as many people as we can shine beyond cancer. So all we need from you is help with shipping and handling.
We only have a limited supply of books available, so don't get left behind. Hit that button now.
And if you don't like the book, which I know you're going to, we will refund your money and you get to keep the book for free.
If you were wondering if this book is for you, let me just recap what we've talked about today. You just heard those testimonials. We have plenty more where those came from as well. Again, we're giving away the book for free today. All we need you to do is to help pay for shipping and handling, which is $6.95. You can click on the button on the side of the page. You could also go to Amazon and pay $14.95 if you want, but we'd like for you to get it from us for free. And again, if you're going through those emotions of anger and exhaustion and anxiety and just feeling overwhelmed, feeling alone, I believe you will find benefit in this book, Shine Beyond Cancer.
So we know what you're going through. We've been there, we've done it. It's all in the book. We talk about our experiences. We talk about, going through the same emotions that you're going through. So I agree with Lisa. If you're going through them right now, just get this book for free. All you have to do is fill out the form on the side of the page, let us know your shipping address, and we'll send you out the book right away.
And until we see you next time,
Keep shining.